You got no excuse if the power goes out or your stove breaks or you don't have gas. You can always grab 4 bricks, make one of these, and get yourself cooking. No problem. All right. What's up, guys? Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a rocket stove out of using just 4 bricks, or 4 concrete blocks. So the first thing you're going to need, you're probably going to notice already, is one of them to not have this side wall here, which is what I'll show you now. And the next thing you need to know is that your first brick needs to be like this, sideways. So flip it on its side, then you're going to put your broken brick here, inlet, okay? Then you're going to want to take your next brick and put it in front as tight as possible. See? And your last brick on top. As simple as that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to light this for you. I'm going to show you actually how it works and show you why you want to be making this. All right, so first we're going to need some sticks. Luckily we went out and collected a few earlier today. My dog is anxiously trying to play with them. So what we're going to do is we're going to load this up and we're going to get this lit and show you exactly what this looks like when it's burning and why it's such a good stove to make. Only a little bit in there because we actually want to load it from the side here. This is where we're going to put in the sticks later on. Okay. We put the big ones in there. We just want a little bit inside the middle to get it started, like that grassy stuff. My dog.
Want more?
Oi, Jack. He's stealing. Alright, that should be good. Save the big pieces for later. That's it. I'm just going to try to light this. Now we're cooking. That should burn quick. Jack, stop stealing everything. Now we can start putting in the big pieces once it gets going so lovely. Look at that. So the bottom one's not used. You're sticking your sticks in here. And then you're going to be cooking on here, and that one's not used. And you could make this back to back and make another on the other side, but that'd mean knocking out the other wall. And you can see how fast this is pulling up. That's why they call it the rocket stove, because the air whips in through here and whips back out that other end, creating a nice flow, making this burn very, very hot and very, very fast. Now we just need something on top of here, some metal, so we can cook and keep the airflow going. So we're just looking for something now. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna put 2 pieces of small wood on just the edge here so I can put my pan. I couldn't find anything metal. We kept the airflow going. And I understand that we're using wood and that might burn, but we're not in the meantime. We're gonna have enough time to cook this sausage. I'm gonna feed the wood in here and we're gonna cook our food here. Okay, look at that yummy sausage. Cooked to perfection with natural wood, cooked for free. So actually you could get these bricks for free if you just run around a construction site, ask someone. You can find them pretty easy. You can find a little bit of wood. This wood took me literally 2 minutes to collect and we still got a little bit left, so it's obviously there's plenty to cook enough food for both of us with just a couple sticks.